Good morning, everyone. I've been here in Loews Sapphire Falls Resort for 2 days now, and this place is amazing. Absolutely love it here. I'm going to go ahead and take you on a tour, show you a little bit about this place and some of the cool things you can do here. So I'm out in front of the resort. You can see right over here is Volcano Bay. Right there is Aventura. So Sapphire Falls actually shares a drive-in area with Aventura. I will say a lot of times when we Uber places, they want to go there instead of come here, so you may have to kind of tell them where it is. This is the drop-off area and the main entrance of the resort. So when you first walk in, there's this massive chandelier made out of these wicker globes hanging. It's really cool. So the check-in area is over on your left, and luggage services is far left. So when you get out of your car, they'll take your luggage, they'll hold it there for you, give you a little card. When you get in your room, call and give them the little card number and they'll bring your stuff to you. So over to the right as you walk in, there's this cool little seating area where you can wait for folks who are checking in. So the rooms here are in what are called guest houses. Those are the buildings. Guest house 1 is right there to the left of the check-in area. Guest house 2 is down in that corner. And guest house 3 is right down that hallway. So there is the check-in desk. Over to the right of check-in is the concierge desk. Panning around a little bit. The walkway to guest house 2 is right there. There's a little lounge area here, right next to Strongwater Tavern. So there's the great staircase I've seen in a lot of vlogs. We'll check that out here in a minute. And there's a vacation desk over here. And that's where you can get park tickets and will call and things like that. So this is the staircase that you see so often in the vlogs, and it's just a really impressive place. It's a spiral staircase that wraps all the way around. Takes you down to the various levels. So you could take this down to the pool. You could also go all the way down to the boat dock level. This is really cool, impressive theming they have here. Then all along the staircase are these photos of various tropical locales. So here's a list of all the places this stairway will take you. Here's the ticket area, Dutch Trading Company, and the store. The New Dutch Trading Company is a grab-and-go area. I can tell you this, the coffee in here smells fantastic. There's a Universal Studios store here just off the lobby. We'll go in and check that place out next. Some general t-shirts there. They have some Volcano Bay stuff here too, so if you didn't want to bring your wallet over to the park, you could pick up some t-shirts and stuff here. Got some shoes and sandals here in case you forgot some at home. And they've got some bathing suits and some more fancy stuff. Lots of swimwear here in the back. And then right there's some more sandals and flip-flops and shoes, beach towels. Here you got goggles, mister fans, cooling towels, all kind of stuff in here. Of course, they have extra sunscreen, toiletries, things of that nature. Got some Simpsons stuff here in the middle. There's a little bit of Minion action happening right here. The obligatory park shirt. And some hats. Now this whole section all the way back here is all Harry Potter themed. So there's a ton of Harry Potter merchandise. Cool t-shirts, those are $35. Oh, and here are the chocolate frogs. So if you forgot to get over to Honeydukes, you can pick them up here at your resort. $12 for the chocolate frogs. Some more treats here. You like the Marauders map mug. $18.95. Some of the every flavor jelly beans. And they do have wands and robes here. So you won't get the same ceremony that you get over at Ollivander's, but if you need a wand and you didn't have time to wait in line, they do have quite a few here. Lots of plush. Got Fox the Phoenix up there. And if you ever needed a quaffle in your life, you get one right there. Some Harry Potter pins. So the house t-shirts have the descriptions of each house, the traits of someone who would be part of it. So I've come through the lobby. I'm right by the walkway over to Tower 2. See Strongwater Tavern is there. Over to the right is a lookout area where you can see the pool. Now, the lobby itself is actually on the 4th floor. The pool is on the 2nd floor. And then the boat dock is on the 1st floor. Very cool pool area. We were in there yesterday and it was awesome. In fact, got some laundry going now, and as soon as it's done, we're heading back to the pool for a little while. Now what's cool about this pool area is so you got that building there. Back behind that building right there, there's a little place where you can get towels, you can get beach chair covers, and then they have ice water available to drink. It's complimentary. They also, right here at this little bar, where is it? Right there, kind of right in that corner, there's another little thing of ice water with cups that's complimentary. And they were doing a lot of fun things with the kids. They had a DJ out there yesterday, and they were having games and all sorts of things. Ton of fun. The slide is back over here. I'll show you that in a little bit, but you can't kind of see it from here, but this gives you an idea of it. There's a full-service bar and grill out there that you can order and have things delivered to your chair. It's a great little pool area. It's another view of the pool area, so you can see way back right there is the slide and kind of the back side of the pool area. This little walkway from here to here, it's a little walkway to get across the pool. It's only, I don't know, maybe ankle deep right there, and it's zero entry at that point. But a great pool. Can't wait to get back down there here in a little bit. Now I've just walked across the hallway. I'm looking at the other side, and there's the boat dock. Here are the falls for the Sapphire Falls. And there's the boat dock. This boat will take you over to City Walk, and from there you can walk right into either one of the parks. It's just beautiful here. Now this resort right there, that is Loews Royal Pacific Resort. That's actually where my in-laws are staying. So we've already been over there, checked out their room. I would say the rooms are pretty much identical in design and size, or layout and size. The only difference is the way that they're decorated. Now the one thing about Royal Pacific compared to Sapphire Falls is you do get a complimentary express pass. So if that's something you're looking for, that does come with their rooms. Their rooms are quite a bit higher, but that is what you're paying for, is that extra service. Another look at the Strongwater Taverns area.
I came back to the room. Let's check it out. I'm heading down to the laundry room now. It's on the first floor of each tower. There's a peek out of the window by the elevators. In the laundry room, you have 4 washers and 4 dryers. You can use either coins or your credit card to run the laundry machines.
Just came out the back side of the resort and heading over towards the boat dock. It's a beautiful area back here. Now, on this sign is talking about some of the shows they have here. Oh, it changed. There it is. So the Luau's next door and the Caribbean Carnival is here. So there's the dock for the water taxi. Now the good thing about this is that it has its own security. So you're able to go through security here. That'll save you time when you get over to the park. Then the bus, go right down here around the corner and there's a little shelter over there that is the bus stop.
Here we have the falls that are the Sapphire Falls. That's where the resort gets its name. Really cool theming out here right next to the boat dock. So before we go back in, let's ride the boat over to City Walk.
Came inside straight from the boat dock. There's Amatista, which is one of the restaurants here. Some of the things they offer here. Empanadas, wings, soups, salads, burgers, all kind of stuff. Got a couple of rotisserie chickens turning in there. It's really cool open grill area. You can see what they're cooking. Cool little place. I really like this couch. I don't know why, but I really like that couch. That's really cool. So the stairwell kind of has a winemaking theme, and down at the bottom you've got these barrels. It's a really cool cart. This gigantic cauldron. Just some really neat theming down here. So there's the stairway where we just came in. And down here is the health club, which is really big and nice. Got a ton of equipment in there. Right there goes out to the pool. And up here is the arcade. We'll go ahead and check that out. It's got some really cool games in here. A lot of the bigger games. Ride-ons, things of that nature. Air hockey. So I'm looking around. It looks like most of these games are around 5 to 8 credits to play. And to give you an idea of what that translates into, here is their rate. So everything's played off of a card. So when you first come out to the pool area, there's the arcade there. I mean, sorry, not the arcade, the workout room. Got some cornhole over here, some ping pong around the corner, and then the pool out itself. One of the bars there. A little sitting area over here with more ping pong and billiards. You do have to use your room key to get over into the pool area, so make sure you've got it with you. Which you should. If you're going to get back in your room, you probably should have a room key. But, you know, sometimes if you leave someone back in the room, you think you don't need your key, but you will need it to get into the pool area. They have a ton of lounge chairs out here. You can just pick one. They also have cabanas. So they have these cabanas here, and there's some on the other side of the pool that are available for rent. So there is a towel hut here, and then there's another one over on the other side of the pool. So if you need towels, that's where you go. Well, that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna head back upstairs and grab the crew. I'm gonna go swim and do all kinds of crazy things today. Who knows? I'm sure we'll be in the parks, having a good time, getting some lunch, all of that. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe below, all that good stuff. There's the back of my head right there. So until next time, take care, y'all.